The relationship between t half and t quarter. T quarter is equals to 3a by 4k, t half is a upon 2k, so we get 3 by 2. T quarter upon t half is equals to 3 by 2. Graph 1 is the graph between minus dA upon dt versus a. So this is a straight line. Minus dA upon dt is equals to k plus 0 into a. So no, slope is 0. If the graph is drawn between a versus t, then we know a is equals to a naught minus kt, so we get a naught is the intercept and slope is equals to minus k, and after reaction completion we get a naught upon k. The reaction completes is twice the half time for zero order. T completion is equals to a naught upon k, which is equals to 2 t half, because t half is equals to a upon 2k. Now third graph is t versus a. We know a is equals to a naught minus kt, so for t we will get a naught upon k minus a upon k. So t and a graph, we get a naught upon k is intercept and slope is minus 1 upon k. At completion we get a naught. Now x versus t, or a naught minus a versus t. We know x is equals to kt, so slope is k, intercept is 0. Now t half versus a. T half is equals to a upon 2k, we know, so t half on a we get slope is equals to 1 minus 2k, 1 upon 2k, and intercept 0. Examples are photochemical reaction. Br2 in the presence of H nu gives 2 Br, so rate is directly proportional to I absorbance, that is 0 order. For the first order reaction, A gives B, rate is equals to Ka to the power 1. A naught is A and A is A minus X. When T is equals to T1, minus dA upon dt is equals to Ka, and A is equals to A minus X, we know, so putting this minus dA minus X upon dt is equals to Ka minus X, so dx upon dt will be Ka minus X, because A is constant, it is cancelled. Then integral on both sides we get 0 to x integral dx upon a minus x, k 0 to t d integral dt. Then it will be ln a minus x 0 to x, it will be k dt, sorry kt 0 to t. Then negative sign is towards RHS shifted. Then ln a minus x 0 to x minus kt. Then ln a minus x minus a is equals to minus kt. Then ln a upon a minus x is equals to kt. Then ln a naught upon a is equals to kt. This is for the first order reaction. Now ln a is equals to ln a naught minus kt, so log a is equals to log a naught minus kt upon 2.303. So log a naught upon a is equals to kt upon 2.303, or ln a naught upon a is equals to kt, or we can say a naught upon a is equals to e raised to the power kt, or a is equals to a naught e to the power minus kt. Log a naught upon a is equals to kt upon 2.303. It can be written as a naught upon a is equals to 10 raised to the power kt upon 2.303, or it can be written as a naught a is equals to a naught 10 to the power minus kt upon 2.303. Or e raised to the power x is equals to 10 raised to the power x upon we have used this formula, e raised to the power x is equals to 10 raised to the power x upon 2.303x. Now the graph between ln a versus t will be this. Slope is k minus k, and intercept is ln a naught, because ln a is equals to ln a naught minus kt. Second graph is between a versus t. We know a is equals to a naught e raised to the power minus kt. So the graph is like this, and intercept is a naught. If we put this infinity, then we get 0 a concentration. If we put 0 k, so we got a naught a, and if we put minus infinity, then a we get infinity. So it is a decreasing function. When we put minus infinity t, then a will be infinity. When we put 0, then a will be a naught. When we put t is equals to infinity, we get 0. The graph between ln a naught upon a versus t, we will get this straight line slope is equals to k, because ln a naught upon a is equals to kt. Now the graph between minus dA upon dt versus a will be equals to straight line slope is equals to k, because minus dA upon dt is equals to ka, or ln a upon a minus a is equals to kt. Half-life period, a is equals to a half, we know, and x is equals to a by 2. Ln a upon a by 2 is equals to kt half. So ln 2 is equals to kt half. So t half will be equals to ln 2 upon k, equals to 2.303 log 2 upon k. That is t half is equals to 0.693 upon k.